welcome to Audrey's English. So many days I didn't do vlogs and any videos. So today I'm doing a vlog. Come. Friday, Saturday I can't go because I loved because it's my free time. But I'm a little bit busy now. Let's go. Come on. Why are you so slow? Oh, so you know guys, one day I say a story that I put a little seed. Wait, where's that tree I just planted? Oh, my sister always play when kidding. Ow, ow, ow. Ow, ow. This is a funny cat. Whoa, the cat. Why he's only meow meow? I guess it's fine. So I just see I plant a little seed. So, but I forgot where did I plant my seed. Then that's okay. Where did I plant it? That's fine. Let's go there. I always like to play there. And guys, so hot today. It's very, very hot outside. Super duper hot. Let me go outside. Oh. So here it is. The rod is hot today. Maybe I need a little bit of help. I can't climb it. Wow, so much of trees. Come guys. So hot here. I hope they're there. Come on. Whoa, that can climb. Come on. So here is it. Whoa. Look, a yellow butterfly. Huh? Wow, another white butterfly. Wow, a yellow butterfly. I'm going to chase them. Huh. Why? What? Two butterflies. Wow. I love it. Oh, they're so cute, colorful. Oh, I loved it. Can I pick that flower?
Okay, go.
But I'm scared. But I'm scared a little bit.
Go and get it.
Yeah. Maybe something is insect gonna be. I love this butterfly. Oh. What he's doing? What she's doing? That's not pick. It's enough. I should not pick it. Let's go. Be careful, guys. I'm so scared. Whew. I can do it. I did it. So grassy today. I never seen that grassy before in my life. I haven't seen in my life. It's gonna never be grassy in my world. In life. I just thought it would not be grassy at all, guys. I never seen this in the grassy grass. It's too hot. That's why I'm in a shade. So I'm gonna drink a water. Can I drink? Okay. So it's too hot. That's why I'm always drinking water, guys. So I'm sweating. I hope I can open my dress. It's kidding. I'm just kidding, guys. Woo! What is that? This is a hole. There, actually not a big hole. So let me go there a little. I'm just kidding, guys. I'm pranking you. Thank you. This is my cute little bottle. Ugh. So wait, look at there, guys. Show that this is my house, the blue one. So cool. I love this very much. So take it. And I'm scared to go because they're gonna fall down. So let's go there and play a little bit in the sun again. Guys, come on. Yeah. Whoa. The same. I'm grassy. I'm green wearing hot here. The building I was always seeing. Guys, look. Show that I was always seeing that from my house. That's when gonna be finished. So it's coloring. Look. Sorry, painting I just wrong. Teachers me wrong. So look, I'm standing on 2 rods. Whoa. This one always shout, but this one not move. This one moves, this one not moves. Funny. Let's go to the shade again. Then where's the butterflies? Big flowers! So many, everything is green today. I never seen that green before, guys. Oh, now it's perfect, huh? Thank you. Now I'm not feeling hot anymore, but a little bit. I'm gonna go. So, guys, look. What? I'm gonna be afraid. This is a big one. Rod. This rod is very. Guys, it's funny. Look. Just wait. It's funny. It's jumping. Stop, stop, stop. I'm stopping it. I'm coming. Just wait. And, I'm coming. I always faint this time. So today I'm gonna be afraid. I did it! Let me jump. 3, 2, 1, go. So this time so let me go back to the guys. The place that I will start beginning. Ew. How dirty. It's mud. I'm gonna not go to that mud. So let me go back to there again. Let's go back to there again. So I just plant somewhere that I just saw. Oh, I just planted some of this here. There's a lot of guys now. Look. Just wait. Look, guys, look. Everything is growing. So let's go to the back where we start. So here we was. So bye bye guys. Like for more videos, like, comment, share this. Bye bye.